So we are here at uh, kitchen. So we are in a restaurant, but we can't leave. Yeah. So let's just take orders. Alright, what do you want? Can I have a pork chop? Okay, pork chop and what? And I want a water. Okay. I will go. Oh, forgot. Wait a minute. Now we need to totally and the water. I need glass for that. Here. Uh, do you want to drink your water first? Okay. Because the pork chop is still cooking. You're done? You should get that now. Where should I put this? I'll just put this here. Your pork chop is done here. Hey, what's your order? I want the cake. Do you want it fast? Yeah, because I'm in a rush. Okay. Okay, there. And you want a baked potato? And you want it fast too? So you're done? Bye, bro. Okay, so you're done too, bro. You're not even eating it. How about you? You're done too? Okay. Okay, I'm going to change the order. Are you new? Yeah, I'm new. Okay. So guys, I have 20 Anyways, what do you want again? Can I have a oh my goodness, just pick. I want a watermelon. Okay. Here. W. Can I have a cake? I'm not rushing, so you can make another one. What? Yeah, you can make another one. Okay. Okay, we need kind of two of this. Kind of forgot. Okay, and one egg. And we need 3 wheat. And oh, we can't forget the milk. Hey cow. Now I'm going to make the cake now. Okay, there. Oh, I'm going to put this. Are you the new guy or the old guy? I'm a new guy, bro. Okay. So, what do you want? Can I have base too? Oh, sorry, we have no bowl. The bowl is going to come next day. Oh, okay. I'm going to have a milk. Okay. Milk? Oh my goodness. Milk only? Yeah. Because I ate something spicy. Okay. Oh, okay, here. Okay, you done? Finally. Okay, so I'm going to eat this one. And you want this cake? Fine. Just put this here. And you're done with this milk? Okay, I'll just put this. Now let's go rest. Yeah. Oh, it's snowing. Yes, it's snowing. Wait a minute, it's totally snowing. It can snow? Oh, okay. Oh, we need to go back at work. Okay. Hello. Do you want some apple? It's free. Yeah. Can you have a apple? Okay. 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 Here's the apple. With the I'm not going to take your order now. What do you want? I kinda want a one snack. Can I have a bread? Okay. Did you order the bread? Who ordered bread? Did you order bread? Yeah. Oh, you eat it. Great. Anyways, what about this guy? Hey, bro. Do you want a snack or a dinner? I want a dinner. So, can I have a chicken? Okay. Do you want it raw or cook? Of course, cook. Okay. Do you want some drinks with it? Sure. I want some Sprite, but I will just stay at water because I'm trying to diet. Okay. I'm just going to get. And do you want to eat chicken? Wait a minute. Okay, here's your chicken. Oh, yeah, it's cooked. Just drink that. It's cooked. Here's my water. Oh, yeah, just drink that. Oh, it's freaking snowing. Nice. You're done with your apple. Okay, stop it. Okay. Where's your freaking... Oh, I ordered bread, so I ate it. Oh, you want bread? Yeah, all villager wants bread. Okay. What about you? You're done? Yeah, I'm done. Why it tastes weird? Don't talk about it. It's just a recipe. Oh, chicken, what the? Okay, so we need to break now because, yeah. Oh, I'm not even hungry. So let's go with the order. Um, we need a bed, by the way. Nice. So this show, this episode is going to have part 10. So yeah. By the way, I need a bed right here. So I'm going outside. Okay, I'm going to pause. I got the bed now, so hey, can you move? Push up. By the way, I have a new dog named Bluey, so yeah. Oh my goodness. Get out. There. Oh, come on. Hello, so part 2.